Grooving with words, unpack, Zumba to the tune. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're diving into a vibrant and rhythmic expression that's sure to add some energy to your English conversations. Zumba to the tune. This phrase is not just about dancing. It's about feeling the music and letting it guide you in life's metaphorical dance floor. Whether you're a language learner looking to spice up your vocabulary or someone curious about English idioms, this video is for you. So, let's get our groove on and explore what it means to Zumba to the tune. Zumba to the tune is an expression that combines the energy of Zumba, a popular fitness dance program, with the concept of moving or acting in harmony with a musical tune. Zumba itself is known for its lively, upbeat music and dance moves, making it a metaphor for living life with enthusiasm and positivity. But this phrase isn't just about dancing. It's about aligning your actions or attitude with the rhythm of the situation you're in. Just like in Zumba, where you move in sync with the music, Zumba to the tune suggests adapting and flowing with the circumstances you face, embracing the rhythm of life with a positive and energetic approach. You might wonder, where can I use this phrase, or how can I incorporate it into my conversations? This expression is perfect for situations where you want to encourage someone to adapt and thrive in their current environment or to approach challenges with a positive, can-do attitude. For example, if a friend is nervous about starting a new job, you might say, "Just Zumba to the tune of your new workplace, and you'll do great." It's a way to encourage them to find their rhythm in a new setting and to approach it with confidence and joy. Understanding the cultural background of expressions can enrich your language learning experience. Zumba, originating in the 1990s, has grown into a global phenomenon, celebrated for its blend of fitness and fun. This phrase captures the essence of Zumba's global appeal and its message of joy, health, and community. Using Zumba to the tune in your conversations reflects a modern, dynamic approach to life, echoing the global culture's emphasis on health, happiness, and harmony. It's a reminder that, like in a dance, life is about moving gracefully through the ups and downs, keeping in step with the music that plays around us. And there you have it, friends. Zumba to the tune is more than just words. It's a lively invitation to dance through life with a heart full of music and a spirit ready to embrace each moment. Whether you're facing new challenges or simply enjoying the day-to-day rhythm, remember to Zumba to the tune of your own life's music. We hope this video has inspired you to add a little more dance to your language and life. Keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep dancing to your tune.